Welcome to our YouTube channel, and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Vivo's new sub-brand iQOO has launched its first smartphone in China. The handset, simply named iQOO, is touted to offer a strong build and a powerful performance. Among the key iQOO specifications are the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC, up to 12 GB of RAM, triple rear cameras, and a display with a waterdrop notch. The smartphone will take on the new flagship smartphones that have entered the market, such as Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as existing players such as OnePlus 6T, iPhone XS Max, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The Vivo iQOO ships with a tall 6.41-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution, AMOLED display with halo notch up top that pushes the screen-to-body ratio at 91.7%. The handset is powered by Qualcomm's 7nm Snapdragon 855 octa-core chipset, coupled with Adreno 640 GPU. It runs Android 9 Pie-based FunTouch OS. As mentioned above, the smartphone comes in 4 configurations: 6GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 256GB. In the camera department, the Vivo iQOO features triple rear cameras consisting of 13-megapixel primary plus 12-megapixel wide-angle plus 2-megapixel depth of field sensors. The front camera of the phone employs a 12-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calling. Powering the device is a whopping 4,000 mAh battery. While the base variant gets 22.5 watts support for fast charging, the other 3 options get the 44 watts super flash charge capabilities by Vivo. The company claims that the tech can add 50% juice to the smartphone in just 15% and another 50% in 30 minutes. In terms of connectivity, the iQOO offers USB Type-C, dual SIM support, 4G LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, GLONASS. The iQOO price starts at RMB 2,998, Rs 31,500, for the base 6GB plus 128GB variant. The models with 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB plus 256GB storage are priced at RMB 3,298, Rs 35,000, and RMB 3,598, Rs 38,000, respectively. Positioned above these is the iQOO Monster variant, which has 12GB of RAM and 256GB RAM and is priced at RMB 4,298. Rs 45,000. While the first 2 variants come in electro-optic blue and lava orange colors, the other 2 will be available only in the electro-optic hue. The handset is presently up for pre-orders in China via the official Vivo shop and will go on sale at 10 a.m. on March 6. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.